Papasok na ba sa school si kiddo mo this coming school year? We have so many items for you to start learning at home na. Lalong-lalo ang bilis ng oras and ang bilis ng buwan. Sa July na yung pasukan, in-announce na to. This is official. So, we have here bestseller for starters, especially nursery or hirap sulat. Meron kaming tracing worksheets and tracing line cards. Ayan yung nasa baba. And then, kung mga nag-start na magbasa, we have abacada na long form na flashcard. Yan na naman yung aming line tracing na pwede nyo bitbitin anywhere. Halimbawa, magre-restaurant, pampabisi sa kanya para less gadgets. Ito kinomboran ni ma'am. Isang order lang to, isang tao lang yung may order. Yung action words for autism, and then this one is reading naman na phonics, and then this one is communications. And we also have letter tracing with phonics and alphabet phonics. Ikaw bahala